Wezzy rega kuda kundiiriteta, rega kuda kundiiriteta. Hapana mwana wangu ini anodropa subject for what? Yes, you do all 11 subjects, it increases your chances of getting more grades above B or my A. No. English literature, inoshandisika in you can use it in life. How? You do character assassination. That's what English literature is. Romeo and Juliet. You learn to dissect the characters. You look at the agenda of the different characters. Then you analyze. Of course, you can use that in life. They are life skills. You are looking at their motives. You are looking at their agenda. These are all things that you learn from my subjects. Just cram. No, how jingrids. You have to cram the code. English literature in order to cram. And once it's in your head, I would indicate for me, of course it's stuck in my head. Once it's in. A code. I fear too early for my mind misgives. Some consequence yet hanging in the stars shall